Display size. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 6.73 inches. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6.6 inches. Display resolution. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 1440 into 3200 pixels, with 522 ppi density. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 1080 into 2340 pixels, with 390 ppi density. Display type. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is LTPO AMOLED. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Super AMOLED. Display protector. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Operating system. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Android 13, upgradable to Android 14, HyperOS. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Chipset. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Exynos 1480. Processor. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is octa-core processor. Samsung Galaxy A55 is octa-core processor. GPU. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is Adreno 740. Samsung Galaxy A55 is Eclipse 530. RAM. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 12 GB and 16 GB. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 6 GB, 8 GB, and 12 GB. ROM. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 128 GB and 256 GB. Front camera. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 32MP wide-angle camera with 1080p video recordings. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 32MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 50MP wide, 50MP telephoto, 50MP periscope telephoto, and 50MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 50MP wide, 12MP ultra-wide, and 5MP macro camera, with 1080p, and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Samsung Galaxy A55 is GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Xiaomi 13 Ultra is 5000 mAh battery, with 90 watt fast charging. Samsung Galaxy A55 is 5000 mAh battery, with 25 watt fast charging. Spec winner.